Look how clean this panel gap is right here.
Yes,
right here.
Yeah, the stamping on the fender is perfect.
Yeah. Does the wheel design meet the spec we reviewed?
As we move inside, you can really appreciate the cockpit design.
Yeah. The responsiveness of these displays is instantaneous. They've really outdone themselves with the redesign of the engine bay.
It's flawless. I think this is the one.
This is luxury in motion. Plenty, refined to perfection. The red Rivian R1S. Power with pure style. A light signature made to impress. A shape that flows perfectly. Red has never looked this powerful.
A bold front that means business.
Every detail engineered with purpose. Strength from the ground up. A badge of true craftsmanship.
Precision in every inch.
Elegance shaped in red.